Another vacant unit.
Good
Third
morning.
floor.
What took you so long to fucking wake up, boy? Didn't you hear me making noise?
I'm messing with you.
Nice unit. Kind of all look the same.
Well, I'm working on this window right now. Okay. I have to have it corner. So give me about 5-7 minutes, and then I'll be in to put the screen in the other window.
Nope.
Okay?
Let's see. Try this one right here. Perfect fit. No leaky leaks. She's not a Leica. She's not a Leica. She's dry. That sounded Australian. I was trying to make it sound like a Boston accent. This little cruddy thing. Anyway, that's that, folks. That's that, downtown LA. I've done 4 or 5 units in this building. And this is the last one. I will not miss it. Good night and good luck.